NotebookLM has released two new features, the infographic and the slide deck, which allows you to change your information into visuals in a click of a button. You can use this for your teaching or personal review, and best of all, it's free and you don't need any design skills. If you're short on time, then this is for you. What sets NotebookLM apart from other AI tools is that it only references the sources that you upload. It can be websites, YouTube videos, or PDFs, and your personal data is not used to train the AI model. This privacy statement assures you that you can freely use the tool without worrying that the AI is retaining your data. Let's take a look at one of the new features, which is the infographic. For this example, I'm using my previous YouTube video, which is 10 ways to use NotebookLM for teaching and learning. Currently on the free plan, you can upload up to 50 sources in one notebook. From here, you have two options. You can click Infographic to create the artifact, or you can customize the infographic by clicking the Edit button here and adding some specific prompts. You can customize the infographic to your needs by choosing the language, orientation, level of detail, and giving a prompt. For the prompt, you can guide the style, the color palette, and the focus area. I'm going to use the landscape option. Here, I want a more detailed infographic, and I'm going to include a prompt. Let's take a look at the infographic. The information is accurate and it's visually appealing. You can also check the prompt that you use by clicking up here. You can also download and share the infographic. You can grab a copy of this NotebookLM infographic in the description box below. One thing to note is that you can't edit the infographic directly. However, you can regenerate the infographic by changing the prompt and clicking Create again. If you have many sources in a notebook like this example here, you can choose to use all the sources in the infographic or simply select the sources that you want the AI to refer to as it creates the infographic. The next feature is the slide deck. Similar to the infographics, you can click to generate instant slides or the pencil icon to customize the slide deck. Here is the final product. These slides are great to showcase information quickly. They include clear visuals, well-structured text, and a clean layout. You can download the slides as a PDF and share them as well. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're looking for more ways to use NotebookLM, then click here to check out this video on 10 ways to use NotebookLM for teaching and learning.